we are using geometric sequence formulas here. Now, the way this is set up, and you can kind of tell from that n-1 as an exponent, this is similar to what we usually do, but this is the first term, F-I-R-S, first term, because of that n-1 right there. N-1 throws it, pushes it forward one time. So this is our first term, and then this is our growth. Or sometimes they call it the multiplier. All right, so I just want to kind of compare it to what we would usually see here at our school. Usually we would see the geometric formula as y equals ab to the x, where a is the zero term, and b is our growth. Notice this is x, or in this case it might be called n, and it's not an x-1 or an n-1. That puts it at the zero term. So this just kind of moves it a little bit, but either way, we're looking at the fourth term here. All right, so since we have theirs set up for us already, we're just plugging in 4 for n. So let's go ahead and get all this writing out of the way. All right, so -1 over, so a sub n, or a sub 4, is equal to -1 over 16 times 2 to the 4 minus 1. This gives us -16 times 2 to the third, -1 over 16. 2 to the third is 2, 4, 8 times 8. Goes to the top, -8 over 16, -1/2. So I got -1/2 as the third term. So this would be the first term. Then it grows by multiplying by 2 each time exponentially. So the first term is -1 over 16. The next term would be it'd be 2 divided by 16, -1 over 8, then -1 over 4, and then the fourth term, -1 over 2. This is our recursive sequence, so it's good to examine what's going on here. In this case, this is our growth or multiplier. So it grows exponentially, and it also kind of shifts back and forth because that multiplier is a negative. This is our first term. And what is the third term? So you just, the easy way, it's good to kind of plug numbers in and get used to it, but the easy way is you start out with 8, and then the next term was going to be 8 times -5. The next term is 8 times -5 times -5. All right, and this also starts setting up how we would kind of look at this as a sequence or as a series of patterns too. So 8, -40, so negative, and -40 times -5, positive 4 times 5 is 2,200. Third term, 200. Okay.